Ano ko, si Kuya, si ate, siya, yung pinaupo na lang niya. Okay, thank you very much, Kuya. Stand up! Stand up! Ayan, out there si Kuya yung nag-move. Stand up kayo, tanggatin ng isa. Alright, 1, 2, 3, ikot! Dandahan lang.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Free.
Tumupo na natin, Kuya. O, dyan ka nga, Pre. Magpahangin ka muna dyan. Magpahangin ka muna dyan. Alright, stand up! Stand up! And tanggatin ng isang kapuhan. Okay, and another one. Tanggatin ng isang mga natin clown. And ikot! Ang galing naman ni ate, oh. Small but terrible. Okay, galing naman ang dancing mo si Prey. Isang bata lang po, isang kapuhan. May bayad na po pag dalawa. Sino nga out? O sige, kasabay sila, naghali sila. Ay, stand up, isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa, walang out, come on. Sa punta to the moon. Okay, set up. And tanggal na rin sa kapuan. Alright, eto na. Okay, one more time. Ikot! Wala pa. Not yet. Wala pa. Not yet. Ay, nakakaluki. Yes. At si ate, thank you very much. Ate, better luck next time. Alright, next one. Ang mga upo, panalo na po sa ating musical chair. Okay, dalawa na lang sila. Alright, now, here we go. Ikot! Mami, Daddy, please stand by para sa ating going of Hagados. Wow! Wala pa po. Relax lang. Alright, thank you very much. Bibigyan pa natin si ate ng consolation prize. Ate, bibigyan pa rin kita ng consolation prize. Thank you very much. What will you say to Kuya Frey?
Happy birthday. What did you say?
I-text na lang daw po niya mamaya po. May Facebook naman daw. Alright, meron din dalawang winner. Bibigyan natin ng prizes. Alright, now here we go. And let us call our mommy and daddy para sa ating blowing off the candle together with our birthday boy. Everybody, clap your hands for Mommy Marian Rivera and Daddy Lingdong Dantes. Everybody, palapag naman pa naman. Blowing off the candle tayo, mommy. Good together with our daddy.